So this is the project. It's a frame antenna for 80 meters, and it has a driven element. It's one-on-one balloon going to coax, and on the base it's adjusted with a capacitor which is built from the tape of as you can see here, and it's wood and it can make fine adjustments, but it's working. So I printed another one, and this is the other one, and it's made of 2 copper foils, but I think they are too close to each other, so I put some tape to make a bigger gap. I soldered to the tape, but the tape is very thin, so I put some tape on the top so I don't rip out the cables from the tape. I had to do some sanding down so it will fit nice. So this is the first test. So I just have to cut the wires and join them again. So stay tuned. So now it's connected to the antenna, and I have my SWR inside the house. It says 57. It is working a little bit too well. I can get it below 5 point something. I think the plates are too close to each other. I just have to make some separation. I tried to put some tape inside and raise the height, but it didn't work. The tape made it too tight, so I couldn't turn it. So next solution, more tape on this side. So after doing a lot of modifications, I'm still not happy. I peeled off half of the base plate, but still I have too much coupling. So I think I have to print a bigger version of this one. I don't get it below 4.7. I tried different configurations. It works, but not as easily adjusted as I wanted.